Good morning. Today I have another trick for you about Excel, and this trick is how to add in the header and the footer to an existing worksheet. For example, this worksheet now I'm going to show you is a freely downloadable worksheet from the European Commission every week about the situation at a custom for holding some of the dangerous goods. So this report you may have to download every week and send to your boss, but he or she may not like it because if you try to print it out, you will see that there's no header nor footer on the other pages besides the page 1. That does not look good. So what shall we do? The way is that normally when you open the worksheet it will be at the normal view and you cannot add in the header. But if you change the view to alternate WP, then you will see immediately there is the availability to add in the header. So I can type in the header here, or I just copy from here. Okay, for example, type in report 16th 2021. Then immediately you will see that all other pages will have the same header immediately. Okay, of course for header you make the font a bit larger. Okay, to make a larger font, a bigger font, and you may even have a add in different color and make it bold, so you will have a nice header on every page. Okay. In the same token, you can add in also the footer. For example, we say from quality department and the date. Okay. For example, you may add in the day of today and see what the date is, April 26th, 2021, 18. Okay. Yeah, April 18. So you have the footer on every page of your worksheet. Okay, sure. Then you can come back to normal view, alternate W end. You will not see the header here, but if you print it out, as what I said earlier, alternate FP, you will see you will have a nice header on every page and a nice footer on every page. And normally you would also like to export it to PDF before sending out, because PDF is more secure, that you will not mistakenly alter some of the data here. Of course, I will make another tricks later how to protect the sheet. Now, I have a shortcut to export. So I go to export to the P. No. Yeah, okay. I have a shortcut here. I go publish. You will see this is a PDF report that we see a very nice header on every page and a nice footer. Okay, that's it. And isn't it good? For the shortcut for exporting PDF, maybe I make it slow as you can see it. It alternate. Oh no, it is a bit complicated. Maybe I explain later. Okay, thank you very much for listening today. Hope to see you later.